Hello, welcome to the third video on using the Thesis and Dissertation template. My name is Christian George, and I will walk you through using the template with EndNote today. We highly recommend you use EndNote when formatting your thesis or your dissertation. EndNote allows you to manage a large number of references that are typical in a thesis or a dissertation. You can change the reference style quickly and easily using EndNote's predefined styles to switch between reference styles if you want to prepare a manuscript from your thesis or dissertation afterwards for publication in a different journal than the style used in the thesis template. EndNote is freely available to students here at the university. You can get a copy on the computers outside of the LRC. We also teach both basic and advanced classes on using EndNote that will give you more of a background than we'll cover today in this video. Some caveats about using the thesis and dissertation template and EndNote together. First is you want to use a single EndNote library. I've opened here the sample library that comes with EndNote to use in this example, but you want to make sure that all of your references for your thesis and dissertation are in one EndNote library. After you've inserted a few different references, they will start to appear in the back in the reference section of the thesis template. If you are copying and pasting references from another document, you want to first convert your references to unformatted citations. Right now, the references are shown in the Annual Review of Genetics style, which is the required style for a thesis or dissertation in the School of Medicine. This is a numbered alphabetical style, and so it is much easier to use EndNote to create a reference list in this style than it would be to do this by hand. If you look at these references in the text, you will see that the numbers appear in parentheses where they've been placed. If we were copying and pasting this into another document, we would want to convert these to unformatted citations. To do that, go up to the Cite While You Write toolbar in the EndNote toolbar and select Convert to Unformatted Citation. This removes the citations from your reference list. The references are shown in the text in the EndNote coded style with squiggly brackets surrounding them. So here are the two references. This material can be then copied and pasted into another document or directly into the thesis and dissertation template without as great a chance for error as exists if you did not convert them to unformatted citations. After you've cut and pasted your text with EndNote citations, or after you've completely entered in all of your EndNote citations, you will want to format them into the Annual Review of Genetics style. Styles are listed here in the EndNote toolbar in Word, or in EndNote, they are shown here depending on how your window is set up. By default, you may not have Annual Review of Genetics available. If you select another style, you can bring that up and search through here either by typing the name in or by scrolling down the list as they're listed alphabetically, and then select Choose. In Word, this toolbar works the same. Once you have it selected here, just press this button and this will reformat your document and create the bibliography again. Once you have all of your references inserted, apply the references style to them. It is best not to use EndNote and track changes together. If you are sending your document off to a committee member or to your advisor and they don't have your EndNote library, you will want to convert your document into plain text. That eliminates the EndNote codes in there that can be corrupted when they don't have a proper EndNote library associated with it. To convert to unformatted citations, go back up to the menu in the EndNote toolbar and select Convert to Plain Text. This will give you a warning that will create a new document. If you have not saved your document before at this point, you should save it. Word will then launch, create a new document that you can then save and send to someone else. This document could have track changes applied to it and it would not corrupt your EndNote library. However, the EndNote citations are no longer active and will not update on their own. So remember to go back to your original document if you need to change or add or edit your references. That is a quick tour of using EndNote with the thesis or dissertation template. We highly recommend that you take one of our classes on using EndNote to get more information on that program. Thank you.